Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Gmail not syncing on both mobile and desktop in 2025. So step 1, on your mobile, open the Gmail app and then go to your settings and then your account and make sure that Sync Gmail is enabled. Step 2, check your device's battery saver or data saver mode because this can restrict background syncing and you should disable them temporarily. Step 3, clear the Gmail's apps cache and go in order to do this, you should go to your settings and then apps and then Gmail and then storage and then clear cache. Step 4, on your desktop, you should just refresh your browser or you can sign out and sign in back to your Gmail account. Step 5, disable any conflicting browser extensions or plugins that might block Gmail syncing, especially security or privacy tools. Step 6, if you're using a third-party client, make sure that IMAP is enabled under your Gmail and then settings and then forwarding and pop IMAP. And now, your Gmail should be synced properly on your desktop and device. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.